Guys, welcome back again. Today with my brother who is coming from up there. He is just going to do some errands. We're going to return the beehive back to the tree where it came from. As you can see, those are some of the beehives. I don't think you can see them, but let's go, guys.
So we are gonna introduce you to the materials and equipment.
That we are going to use to make our beehive go up there.
Materials: matchbox, hammer, nails, panga, a rope,
And some of the other things like those.
like the part of the beer.
Yeah, those are part of the beehives, and this one is the larger one.
The main part.
Yeah, the main part.
So guys, I'm gonna show you how we make the fire. So we're gonna put some more.
The other ones. These are some of the ones which have over. They are okay. They are nice. Look at this fire. Look at this. So good. More and more are coming. We're going to place like this up.
Now we have finished this one. We are gonna put this. You see that the bamboo leaves
They are not very effective. So we are going to make, but as you can see, we have achieved what we wanted. With this, we have achieved what we wanted with this. So we want to go and make.
You see like this.
We want to go fire up a tire. Let's go and come with the tire. The tire is somewhere here, below these bamboos. Where's the tire? There it is.
Yeah.
So go and get that tire. So
we are gonna use.
we're going to arrange this.
This and the other one.
That one is good to go.
Which? But this one doesn't.
Yeah, but it fits. It's good. So you put it, yeah, and
Then I put this one.
this place.
Then this one. This one is not the one
Yeah.
that belongs.
It belongs.
It belongs here.
So try another. Oh, so we are going to buy others. Let's go. Let's go bring some firewood.
Belongs.
Let's go bring some firewood and
This one doesn't belong here because.
let's go.
Even
Looking for firewood. Ragisha. And here are some planted trees here and there. Here are our roads, man. Here are more. These are enough. Let's go.
Nasaragisha.
Guys, let's wait for the fire to burn down very quick. We are going to finish this so the job has been done. We are going to assemble these things here and we'll be good to go and take it up here.